Guys, welcome to this channel. Join me while I unbox my Makgeolli kit. It's the Ssal Kkot Makgeolli kit. That's the rice flour Makgeolli kit. It is a naturally carbonized rice wine. Okay, so let's go ahead to unbox it. So this is a key food product from Korea, and the first thing that's inside the bag is the rice flour rice. Okay, the rice to use to make the Makgeolli. Okay, so we have 3 of those rice. Okay, and then we have these. Okay, so these are the things inside the Makgeolli kit, and this from K Food Korean tourist souvenir. So this is the first thing inside. It's like a sieve and an instruction manual. Okay, so this is like a sticker, and then after the sticker we have this instruction manual that shows rice flour Makgeolli 3 packs, filter, notice and sticker. So the bag just talks about how to use it, talks about rice flour Makgeolli and how it doesn't limit its taste. It's uniformity of traditional liquor. So Makgeolli is a traditional liquor, Korean traditional liquor. Okay, so this is our rice, and these are what is like inside the bag. Okay, so inside this now we have rice that we use to make the Makgeolli, and at the back we have the instruction on how to make it. It says please add 1 pack of Makgeolli powder and lukewarm 1 liter water, most preferably purified spring water. And the other instruction is there. I'll definitely do a video on how to make this wine, so make sure you stick to this channel to watch it. These are all the things in my Makgeolli kit. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Check out my Korean ramen pot unboxing video on this channel, and do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.